Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today's video is a Fashionphile unboxing and I'm really excited about this one. Of course, all my Fashionphile unboxings are exciting to me, but this one is extra special because I've wanted this for so long, and finally I saw one on the website. I mean, they always have these on the website, but I saw one and it was priced so well and the condition was so good, and I just thought, this is it. This is the day that I purchase one of these. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the box that it was shipped in, and if you guys know Fashionphile, you know that the packaging is always super fun. So I'm opening it up, and of course we see some of that gray and pink confetti paper in there. So I'm just gonna take that and dump it on the ground. Sorry. Just gonna take that out. Here is the Fashionphile nail file, which comes in the packages. I always appreciate them. I have a ton of these lying around the house, although I shouldn't say that in case my husband's watching. Oh. Okay, here is the little thank you card with the Fashionphile heart logo on the other side, and then there's this envelope with the Fashionphile logo. It's sealed with a Fashionphile sticker, and this is my receipt and authentication card and all that jazz. And here is my item. As you can see, everything is just super well packaged. You don't have to worry about something coming to you damaged. It's always going to be impeccably packaged. Here is that sticker, used is the new, which is one of their slogans. And here is the box that my item comes in. As you can see, it is that famous orange color. It is something by Hermès. Obviously it came with its original packaging. It comes with the original box, even the ribbon. So even though it comes with its original packaging, they will usually always, is that a thing? I think always will include one of their dust bags. So I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure they'll always include one of their dust bags. So here is that Fashionphile dust bag, and then here is the piece. Amazing! Wow, it's so nice. It's so nice. So I do remember now that I'm looking at it, there were two of these on their website, and this one was priced a little bit higher, but the quality, the condition of it was much better than the other ones. So I just thought, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in those extra couple of dollars and know that I'm getting a nicer piece in return. Like, at the end of the day, am I gonna, it's worth it. So that's why I went with this one. It is an Clic, Clac H bracelet. This is in the PM size. It is wider. I am currently wearing my last Fashionphile Clic H bracelet, which is also in the PM size, but this is their narrow size. So I'm going to do a comparison video so that you guys can take a look. But here, just so you can see, is the comparison. Okay, and so the way that you open this is that you kind of squeeze it, and then turn the H, and then it opens up, and you close it the same way, and there we go. I am so excited to add this to my collection. This is now the third or fourth Clic H bracelet in my collection. This is the very first wide one, and it is in the black enamel with the gold toned hardware. So it's a classic piece. It comes in very like one of the most used colors. Black and silver toned hardware, the palladium, and then the black and the gold, to me, are the most wearable pieces. You can wear that most often than anything. This one has color in it, so it's not always so easy to pair it with whatever outfit, but I tend to wear so much black that of course I can wear this all the time. Black and white. I'm a New Yorker, what can I say? So I do get to wear this often, but obviously black will go with just about everything. And so I have the PM in this size, the narrow size, in black and silver tone palladium, and then now I have this one in that wider, the wider band. I'm so happy with this purchase. I've been wanting this for so long, and I'm so glad to finally add this to my collection. I do want to grow my Clic H collection, and Fashionphile has definitely helped me do that and will continue to help me do that. So thank you, Fashionphile, for the amazing deals, and you'll see me again very soon. In fact, I have another jewelry unboxing from Fashionphile coming up, so stay tuned for that. So that was my quick little Fashionphile unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make new videos every single week. So if you click that notification button, you'll get an email sent right to your inbox whenever they are published. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, requests. Just say hi. You guys know I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.